So I will share with you a patient who's 97 years old. So this is the oldest patient one can think of having severe heart problems. So we used the technological advances, found out the diagnosis, treated his valve, and he was well and running about and walking back, very mentally alert, back to his home and doing very well. So this is one of the greatest things that has happened. So the procedure is getting simpler and the procedures, diagnosis becoming easier will be the next goal in cardiac care. So I have already seen so much happen in the last 2 decades that I'm quite confident that with the way the things are going, it will be a huge change which will come. Because the heart treatment gives a new life to the patient. Heart disease can cause sudden deaths, can cause so many deaths, and heart disease causes the highest number of deaths in our country. So does it in other countries. So the more we focus on these kinds of developments, the better it is for the patients. So the advice is work hard, keep reading, because reading is the most important way to practice medicine. If you don't keep reading and upbreasting yourself with the current knowledge, you will always fall back and will always be not treated well. So work hard with your patients. I would be including people from business development world. I would want the procedures to become cheaper. So business depends on volume and the cost. At the moment, the cost is very high. And if you get enough volume, the cost can be brought down. So a business model which will look at how to reduce costs for the patient, how to give them cheaper treatment, will have large number of patients getting the treatment better, which will be very helpful. So second is I will want some engineers to come in and produce something outstanding in our country so that can be used for these patients and the treatment will become much cheaper and affordable. So working out affordability is one of the key things a physician looks forward to. So I want to give a message that you have to follow your heart healthy diet, which is rich in fruits, vegetables and nuts. Exercise at least 30 minutes every day so that you do your steps properly. Exercise in any form, walking, yoga, whatever form, but do it. And finally, stop smoking and stop drinking alcohol. It is going to be very useful to prevent a heart attack and very useful to live a heart healthy life. Thank you very much.